In today's video, I'll show you how to change your invoice template in Zoho Books. Updating your template is an easy way to make your invoices look professional and match your brand. Start by logging into Zoho Books and going to the Sales section from the left-hand menu. Select Invoices to access your invoice options. Click New Invoice to open the invoice screen, whether you want to create a fresh invoice or preview your changes on an existing one. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner. This opens the invoice customization settings. Choose PDF template, then click Change to see all available templates. Zoho Books offers a variety of designs from clean and minimal to more detailed and professional. Browse the templates and select the one that suits your brand by clicking Choose Template. Your new design will now be applied to all future invoices, keeping your documents consistent and polished. And that's it. You've successfully updated your invoice template in Zoho Books. This simple change helps your invoices stand out and reflect your business style. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.